Peruvian rotisserie chicken is smoky deliciousness. We marinate it overnight and then we cook it the next day over wood charcoal. There's a lot of seasoning, a lot of flavor. We started in 2007 with our first store and we now have 13 locations. Family is one of our core values. We really want customers to feel that they're part of family when they're in the restaurant. Technology plays a huge role in our business. Our director of operations, Sanjay, worked the corporate side of things, and he's also worked in the mom and pops.
If you want to grow the right place, you have to choose the right partners. Technology is the most innovating piece out in the market right now. We are using it to our advantage to how we can be more efficient. We have a good marketing strategy in place with Uber Eats. On the app right now, we are doing a lot of buy one, get one frees. We look at the dashboard every month and we see our growth. Last 2 or 3 quarters, we have grown 400%. So, that tells you that it's working.
When we're looking at technology partners, we really look at making sure that the brand is credible, that our values are in line, and at the end of the day, that we're taking care of our customers.
We've been very, very happy that all our restaurants are on Top Eats, and it's a compliment to not only us, but also to Uber Eats that it's a partnership that's working well.